Hi friends, so today you are going to be solving problems with just dollar bills. And this is sort of addition within 100 or even 1,000 in disguise. So this is adding up dollar bills and knowing how to do that accurately. So we are solving problems with dollar bills today. I'm going to switch right over after I show you. This is what your worksheet looks like for today. So just dollar bill problems and some word problems with dollar bills. And one with coins and dollar bills, which I will show you how to do. You're going to be reviewing some line plots today, and there's a challenge at the end. So that is your worksheet for today. I'm going to switch over to our workspace. This is $1. So right here is $1. The dollar sign is the little S with two lines going through it. We put the dollar sign before the dollar amount. So if I have $7, I put the dollar sign before that. Now differently, the cent sign, if I had 56 cents, just to keep in the back of your mind, I put it after. So that's just a little tidbit to keep in your brain. And obviously when there's dollars and cents, you've seen me do that little decimal point before. That's how we separate the dollars and the cents. So you'll see me do that later. But this is the dollar sign. This is the front of a dollar and the back of a dollar. It has ones in each of the corner. That's how we know it's $1. It also says 1 on the back. $1 bill is equal to 100 cents or 100 pennies. 4 quarters, 25, 50, 75, 100. 4 quarters equal $1. Any combination, there's so many different combinations to get 100 cents. 100 cents equals $1. Here are some other dollar bills. There's a $5 bill. It has 5s in the corner. There's a $10 bill. It has 10s in the corner. There's a $20 bill. It has 20s in the corner. And you can go even higher than that, but for second grade, we're just going to go up to the $20 bill. Maria has these dollar bills. What is the total value? So we're going to do the same thing that we did with the cents. We're going to start with the greatest bill amount, and then we're going to get smaller and smaller as we go on. So I see that there's $20. I'm going to do my 20. And I don't see any other 20s, so my next highest one would be $10. I see two $10 plus 10 plus 10. So 20 plus 10 plus 10. I don't see any more 10s, but the next highest would be 5. I see two $5 bills plus 5 plus 5. And then there's one last one that's just 1. Now I'm going to add all this up. 20 plus 10 is 30. Plus another 10 is 40. I know 5 plus 5 equals 10. So plus another 10 is 50. See how I did that? I grouped the two 5s together to make a 10. And then I added it onto the 10. Sneaky. So 20 plus 10 is 30. Plus another 10 is 40. Plus 5 or 10 equals 50. Plus 1 equals $51. Maria has $51. Our little friend is saying count on from the greatest bill to the least bill, which we did. We're going to do some word problems now to get those juices flowing. So Mrs. Nguyen has these dollar bills. Count on to find the total value. So you're going to count on to find the total value. Let's do it together. So the biggest bill here I see is $20. So I'm going to add 20. And then the next highest I see is 10. 20 plus 10 is $30. Then I can add on 5, 10, 15. Or I can do plus 5, plus 5, plus 5. But I just grouped all the 5s together. Equals 45. This woman has $45. And you can also write it with a decimal point because there's no cents. And we write dollars, decimal point, cents. how we separate. Okay, let's look at next example where there's no dollar bills involved, just words. Mrs. Baker has 2 $10 bills and 3 $5 bills in her purse. Does she have enough money to buy a dress that costs $33? Explain. I don't know about you, but I have to draw my work. So let's get a nice green color going here, and I'm going to do some drawing. I expect to see drawing on your papers too, because it's going to help you. You can't do this stuff in your head. You have to show your work. So 2 $10 bills. I usually just go like this. Good enough. I'm not an artist. So 2 $10 bills. Got it. And 3 $5 bills. Let's draw 3 $5 bills. Okay. Does she have enough money to buy a dress that costs $33? Well, let's check it out. I have 10, 20, 25, 30, 35. She has $35. Can she buy a dress that costs $33? Yes. My explanation is she has $35. The dress only costs $33. She has more than 33. She has 35. 33 is less than 35. 35 is more than 33. Therefore, she has enough money. Last example for today is dollars and cents. So I know you can't really tell, the pictures are a little bit blurry, but you get the point. These are all $1 bills, and the example from your worksheet is also a $1 bill. And because we can't really see the numbers in the corner over here, we can just assume they're all the same as the one that's on top. So let's count up the dollar bills that I have. I have $1, $2, $3, $4. So I have $4. And then, what is this coin? It has no ponytail, it's silver, and it's tinier than the penny. It must be the dime. I see 2 of them. I see one here and one here. 10 plus 10, and then these are all pennies. Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. 10 plus 10 equals 20. Plus an extra 1 equals 21. Plus another 1 equals 22. Plus another 1 equals 23. So I have 23 cents. So now when we combine them, like I said before, you're going to use that decimal point to separate dollars and cents. Okay? And we're only going to use a dollar sign too. So I put my dollar sign. I have $4 and 23 cents. Now we always have to have something in this position right here. That's actually the tens place in both dollars, and when we're just talking about a number, 23, the tens place always has to be filled up. So let's say I just had $4.03. You can't draw it like this because that's going to look like $4.30. So how we draw 3 is, you probably have seen this before, but we put a 0 in the tens place because we always have to have something in the ones and the tens place. So that's just a little comparison. If there was to be a 0 in the tens place, that's how you would draw. Okay, have fun today with your work. I know you can do it.